Hi guys! Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos explode with millions of views while others, maybe even yours, barely get noticed? It's not luck, it's not magic, it's the algorithm. But here's the truth, most creators have no idea how it actually works. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step so you can finally crack the code and get the algorithm working for you instead of against you. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, hit that like button, and drop a comment below because your YouTube breakthrough could start right here. Tease the video's value. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what the algorithm is, but how to create videos the system loves to recommend. Explain why this matters. If you don't know how the algorithm works, you'll waste time making videos that never reach their potential. But if you do know, you can scale faster than you ever imagined. Step 1. The myth about the algorithm. Many creators think YouTube decides who succeeds. Truth. The algorithm isn't out to help or hurt you. It only wants one thing to keep viewers watching longer. Quote style line. The algorithm doesn't serve creators. It serves viewers. And if you give viewers what they want, the algorithm rewards you automatically. Step 2. The 3 pillars of the algorithm. Break into 3 main signals YouTube tracks. Click-through rate CTR. Do people click your video when they see the thumbnail and title? Watch time and retention. Do they actually stay and watch most of it? Engagement. Do they like, comment, share, or watch more videos after? Example explanation. Think of it like a funnel. The thumbnail gets them in the door, retention keeps them in the room, and engagement tells YouTube, hey, show this to even more people. Step 3, home, search, and suggested. YouTube isn't just one algorithm, there are different traffic sources. Search keyword-driven content tutorials, how-tos, suggested videos when your content gets recommended next to other videos. Home feed, the golden place. Algorithm pushes your video to people who haven't even searched for it. Tip, if you want explosive growth, optimize for suggested and home. That's where viral happens. Step 4, patterns the algorithm loves. Consistency, posting regularly signals you're active. Topic authority, channels that stick to one niche grow faster. Series or binge content, if one video leads into another, YouTube sees higher session time, more recommendations. That's why you'll see channels blow up after one viral video, not just because of that video, but because the algorithm started suggesting their entire library. Step 5, common mistakes creators make. Obsessing over subs instead of watch time. Making clickbait titles with poor content hurts retention. Posting random topics instead of building a niche identity. Ignoring thumbnails and thinking the content will speak for itself. If people don't click, it doesn't matter how good your content is, the algorithm won't even show it. And step 6, how you can use this knowledge. Start with powerful hooks. First 30 seconds matter most. Plan retention moments, pattern breaks, visuals, stories. Optimize titles plus thumbnails for curiosity, but stay honest. Encourage engagement naturally. Ask questions your viewers want to answer in the comments. So here's the truth. The YouTube algorithm isn't a mystery. It's designed to reward videos that viewers love. Focus on CTR, retention, and engagement, and the algorithm will push your content to the right audience. If you got value from this breakdown, make sure you subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, smash that like button, and drop a comment below sharing one strategy you're going to test on your next upload. I can't wait to see your channels grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.